Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about function keys shortcuts. What are the function keys are available in system? It may be laptop or system. We have 12 function keys from F1 to F12. So what are the function keys are using in our day-to-day work in our Excel? We are going to learn. So in first shortcut F1, if you press F1, you can get the help option. If you press help, you can get the help option. If you want to make formulas, import or analysis, data, troubleshooting, you can use the help option. Second one is edit mode. If you press F2, you can have the edit mode. Suppose you want to have, this is in a small letter. You want to make it all in a caps letter. So you can check Wednesday. So if you want to edit the data, you can use the F2 function key. Third one, F3, paste name formula. So before using the F3 formula, we have to create a name for that. So I already created a name. For example, January to December is called calendar year. April to March is called financial year. I want to create a name for this. Every time I don't want to mention Jan to December or April to March. So I have to select the data, go to the formula menu, create a name for that. I've already created the name. I've deleted already created the name. I'm going to create a new name. What is called this calendar year? I can keep calendar year. I can put CY calendar year. Okay. In the same way, I want to make the name for financial year also. Go to the formula, name manager, create a new name, FY. So financial year, I can give a name FY. Okay, friend. So you want to paste the formula, press F3. So you already have the name list. So you can select here. If you want to have a financial year, you can press financial year. You can take this. Suppose you want to have a calendar year, F3, calendar year, select calendar year. Okay, friend. Suppose you want to have the name list, employee list, Revati, Suresh, Sheila, Raja, Ramesh, Guna, whatever it may be. Suppose you want to make it, you want to make the name. You can select the entire list. Suppose you want to increase in future also, you can increase. So select the data, go to the formulas, name manager, create a new name, employee list. Suppose EMP. So list of employee. So once you click here, wherever you want to insert the name, press F3, EMP, select. So it will not come now. Suppose if you add here, Guna, Ravi, she, you can give Kavin, Avinash, John, Ajay. Suppose if you add more than that, you don't want to again select their name, Rosie. So you have increase the name list. So automatically you have to delete this. You have to go and then F3, select the EMP list, get the answer. Entire name will be displayed. Okay, friends. So this is the use of F3 function key. Then next one, F4, repeat action. Now you want to give the color for Wednesday. What is the color? Theme color, you can give green, Wednesday. Okay, same color you want to give for Sunday also. So if you want to make a repeat action, F4. So you have to select F4. You have given the color. Now you can select F4. You want to give the same color for this also, F4. F4. So this F4. For this F4. So repeat action we can use F4. Next one is go to. If you press F5, go to option will be coming. You have the go to list. Wherever you are gone earlier, calendar year, employee list, financial year, or column. Suppose you select EMP, go to EMP sheet. Suppose here again you have to go to wherever you want. Shortcut key goes to E or F5 you want to go, you can go F5. So we can use the F5 function for go to. Okay, friend. Next one, F6, next pen. Suppose you are using the mouse. You can select automatically. You don't have the mouse now. Your system is not working. Laptop also, mouse system is not working. What do you want to do? Don't worry. You can select the F6. So go to next pan. So this is the pan number 1. Then F6 mean go to sheet. And again F6, go to menu bar. So you don't want to use the mouse. You can use the F6 function. Next pan. Okay, friend. Second, next option F7. Spell check. You have the option Friday or you can have the Monday. If you type MODAY instead of Monday, you want to check the spell. So F7, we can have option more model. We can have the option like this, or we can have the option of this. If you type Friday like this, you can go to spell check. Friday, your suggestion will be coming. You can use this change. So Friday. So you can check the spell check by using of F7 formula. After that, extend selection. Everyone knows by using arrow keys, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, down arrow, up arrow, everything we can do. But we have to select the data mean, we have to select shift plus arrow key. We have to continuously press the shift plus arrow key. For extend the selection, shift plus arrow keys. Shift plus arrow keys. So instead of selecting the shift, you can use the arrow key only. How to do that? Press F8. So wherever you want to start, F1, press F8. You can use the arrow key here. I'm not pressing shift. I'm just using the arrow key here. I can select the data. So this is the use of extend selection F8 function. F8 function. Now next one is very interesting, friends. F9. Suppose you want to make a sum of it. Alt equal to 460 is the answer. I want to change here. Instead of 70, I can make it as 100. So no change will be happen. Why? Because I have selected the manual option. Going to file menu, option, formulas. I have given manual formulas. Manual calculation only I have selected. If I selected automatically means I can get the automatic answer. If I select manual calculation mean, so every time I have to calculate. So I want to select, now I want to select mean alt equal to, I can get 490. Now I want to change here 60, 100. So every time I have to select, recalculate. So instead of doing recalculation, you can use F9 function key. Calculate all. Suppose you are changing this 130. You press here, control, press 9. So press 9, calculate all. Suppose you changing this 102. So no changing, but go to here, control, press F9. So F9, calculate all. Okay, friends. Instead of doing this, you can go to the file option and then formulas. You can select automatic. So you will get the automatic calculation. If you select the manual calculation, you can use F9 function. The next one, F10 function. Activate menu. Same as I said in the next pan, activate menu also same. Suppose if you don't have a mouse, you want to use the home menu, filter, everything. So what you want to do? F10. Press F10. Activate the menu bar. Now you want to go to data. Press A. You want to go to filter, press T. So wherever you select, automatically the function will be working. Then finally, we can have F11 for opening a new chart. We have the data here. You have selected the data. Now you want to create a new chart for this data. Press F11. Automatically, one new charts happen to the new sheet. Separate sheet as open. If you want to modify the date, chart title, chart format, whatever you want to do, you can do here. So this is the function key use of F11. Last but not least, we are going to learn about F12, save as. You want to save as. You have the data, you already have the data, you want to save as. You can use F12. You can copy paste the data, save as the data using of F12. I hope you are all enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next videos. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.